Hello, and welcome back, Profit Quest's family. It's great to have you here again. If this is your first time landing on this channel, a special welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto insights, airdrops, and Web3 opportunities. Also, make sure to join our Telegram community. The link is in the description below. On our Telegram channel, I share new airdrop alerts, exclusive crypto tips, and updates you won't find anywhere else. Today, I'm excited to share a fresh update along with a detailed tutorial on how to participate in two mining airdrops that are heating up the scene right now, Sparkchain and Gradient Network. So, let's get straight into it. Let's start with Sparkchain. The good news is, Sparkchain has officially confirmed it will be listed and tokens will be distributed in Q2, specifically this June. So it's super important that everyone connects their Solana wallet before the claiming process starts. There's also confirmation that Sparkchain has secured serious backing, around $10 million in funding, which is a big deal and shows promise for a strong launch. Sparkchain has shared this information officially on their Twitter, and they've made it clear that all users must verify their wallets before the TGE and claiming opens. According to the most recent update, the token generation event is almost ready, about 99% done, so things are getting close. The mining points you've earned will eventually be converted into Spark tokens once the distribution happens later this June, at the close of Q2. To get involved, you'll first need to register or log in to Sparkchain's mining extension. It works perfectly on mobile phones, so even if you don't have a PC, you're covered. After joining, make sure your mining extension is properly connected. Once that's done, open your dashboard and look for the Reward or Hadia menu. There you'll find options to verify your email. You must do this verification step. Along with the email, you'll also be asked to verify your wallet address. This step is also mandatory. Before verifying your wallet, make sure you've installed the Phantom wallet. That's the one most compatible for this process. I'll include the link to download it in the description below. You can also use other Solana-supported wallets like Backpack Wallet, Shovelware, OKX, or BitGet, but Phantom is the recommended option for simplicity. Once you have Phantom Wallet ready, head back to Sparkchain and click the Connect Wallet button. You'll be prompted to choose the wallet. Select Phantom and continue. It will then ask you to sign in and verify with your signature. You'll need to do this twice for confirmation. Once completed, the system will show that your wallet is successfully verified. Go back to your dashboard, and you should see your mining status marked as connected. Again, it's very important to check your mining total under the rewards section. For anyone who hasn't verified their email or wallet yet, now's the time to do it. Email verification comes first, followed by wallet verification, and then you'll be ready for the reward claiming phase. But there's one more requirement. To be eligible for the Sparkchain claim, you must accumulate a minimum of 100 hours of mining time. That's equivalent to around 4 days and 6 hours. You can calculate your total mining hours manually. For instance, if you've mined for 5 days and 9 hours plus 14 extra hours, then you're already well past the 100-hour mark. So check your total and ensure you've met the threshold to be considered eligible when they open claiming. Now, moving on to the next big one, Gradient Network. This project is showing massive potential and is also getting ready for listing or distribution soon. Just like Sparkchain, Gradient has attracted major attention. It's directly partnered with Solana and has backing from Pantera Capital, Multine Capital, and has also secured $10 million in funding. This was confirmed just 2 days ago, which puts it in a prime position to deliver real value once it goes live. If you've already been mining Gradient, you should check how many points or how much mining time you've gathered. To be eligible here, you'll need at least 72 hours of mining time. You can mine through your phone or your laptop, depending on what's easier for you. Let's walk through how to access Gradient Network mining. First, open the extension from your device. If the mining status doesn't connect automatically, you'll need to refresh it. You can do this by tapping the refresh button at the top of your browser or manually reloading the page until the status turns to good. Once it shows as connected or good, your mining is live. From there, navigate to the Get XPay option and click it. That'll take you to your main dashboard. On the dashboard, check the My Node section where you'll find your current mining stats. If your status says good, then you're already participating successfully. For example, today I received 8 hours of mining time. And yes, mining on Gradient is a bit more challenging compared to Sparkchain, but definitely still worth it. If you want to earn more points, maximize your mining by running it on both your phone and your laptop. Today alone, I earned 77 mining points using both devices, so the effort definitely pays off. Now, on the dashboard, you'll find a menu option labeled Rewards or Airdrop. Click that to track your eligibility progress. To qualify for the airdrop, remember that you must complete 72 hours of uptime. Once you've hit that benchmark, your status will display eligibility. For example, if your status says +4, that means you've completed 4 sets of 72 hours. To be eligible, you only need +1. That's just 72 hours total. As of now, my progress is at 92%, meaning I'm almost at my 5th complete cycle. One last important update. Gradient Network's extension must be updated to version 1.1.6. If you're using a mobile browser like Kiwi or MetaMask's browser, click the 3 dots in the top corner and open the Extensions panel. Find Gradient Network in the list, then update it to the latest version. Once it's updated, continue mining as usual. Keeping your extension current ensures everything works smoothly and your hours get counted. That wraps up the latest updates on both Sparkchain and Gradient Network mining opportunities. Both are showing high potential for listings and token distributions very soon. So if you haven't gotten started yet, now's the time. You don't want to miss out on these free opportunities. And of course, don't forget to join our Telegram channel through the link in the description. That's where I post regular updates on crypto airdrops, hidden gems, and no-cost earning methods. Whether you're just starting out or already deep into the crypto world, there's something there for everyone. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a drop again. Thanks for watching, Profit Quests family, and I'll see you in the next video.